Y'all, I'll grab someone real quick. Watch this.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
yeah, that's
she typing. Oh damn!
She's diving. Lots of juicy thoughts going.
Oh yeah, we're in sneeze days, send days.
Sandy.
Fart bomb, I'm on and off.
Y'all invite Sandies.
Sandy's.
Yeah.
Sandy's nuts. Okay, let's.
Sandy's nuts.
Oh, what's good?
Should I play a fart when it gets in or what?
Yeah.
Alrighty. I got it ready. Oh hey! How's it going?
Oh my gosh. No way.
Oh
I can't control myself, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
It happens. I did not.
are you a muter? Because
No, he's just shy. There's a difference. I would be flustered too. Hearing that. I mean, really? What can you do?
For real. I hate this.
How the hell do you rush on this big ass map?
Wait, is there no one defending guys?
No, we don't need to defend.
We don't need a bed defense. No, Sandy's. No, you don't. No, we
It's
don't.
fine,
Sandy's
I
coming in
got it.
clutch.
It's fine, I got it. Next game though. Oh.
I think Sandy's is also a good username. I mean,
Exactly.
kind of provocative, but like, really.
Fuck it
What does provocative mean?
Meaning a little frisky, if you know what I mean.
What, huh?
Like you want people to send these, what? You know what I mean?
Oh, I mean, wait. You can say multiple things.
Not really. You don't have to explain yourself. I got the message, but like, I got your message
I cannot.
there.
Oh, we got the message.
Oh,
Well, I'm
guys,
lagging.
Watch this. Oh, don't watch that. Oh, insane.
How's he going for me?
Because you're cool and sexy.
What the fuck?
Oh no.
Stop! I can't.
I can't breathe, guys. I'm literally gonna have to go into cardiac arrest. Like, please. I don't even know what that is.
Literally, I'm gonna have a heart attack.
I'm gonna have to take off my comfy too. I'm not even gonna lie.
Oh,
Oh, it's getting a little bit too hot in here. Alright, y'all, lock in.
Lock in.
I am locked in. Oh my lord. That was a good giggle, I won't even lie.
Oh god.
Oh,
Alright, walking
Ain't no
in.
way. You got
lock
this.
the hell in.
Oh, Sandy's is locked in.
Oh yeah. Fart bomb 1, 2, 3 is locked in.
oh my god.
I don't have
Who's that bomb, bro?
You gotta
Who is
have the
fart
1,
bomb?
2, 3 to make it. I'm fart bomb.
Oh,
Whoa, whoa, what's that sigh? You know what?
I'm the
Oh. My god.
It's my slogan. It means live, laugh, love.
Oh my gosh, my throat is hurting, guys. I think I need water after this. Like,
You should get
Why's it
some
hurting?
water.
whoa! Okay, I'm locked in. I'm locked in.
They have snowmans.
So, I forgot that
You
it
mean
Oh, yeah.
snowman?
Oh yeah.
Why are you
An
doing
army.
this?
No man's.
Nobody.
Be careful of the balls
Oh.
throwing.
Whoa.
Thrown at you.
Whoa.
I'm sick of these
whoa.
snowmen.
Say that
I killed
again.
all of them.
Say that again.
Guys, low key, they don't see me. Oh no, they see me.
Oh. Don't worry, I'll drop you some iron.
Thanks.
Who the hell? What? Who gargled, bro?
Fast up. Fast up. Who was it?
Oh, stop. I can't wait. Everyone, just calm. Serenity.
You guys are exposing my ugly laugh.
You got that, right?
I'm expecting a snort soon. Oh yeah, build up. They're building up. Oh yeah.
Leave me alone.
Wait.
I saved you. Don't even worry.
Yes! Fart bomb to the clutch!
I'm right, sister. I got them nice and low for you. Joey's, you're jumping real high, aren't you? I did. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Exactly. You know I used to be a kitty cat girl. 1, 2, 3. Y'all, come here. Watch this. Ready?
I'm ready.
Oh,
Yo!
That's my signature move right there.
Oh, fart bomb is going ham!
I didn't go ham.
Oh,
Oh, damn.
Attempted to go ham.
There was an attempt. It did not work.
what the hell?
I got bombed.
Damn right you did. It just wasn't-
Damn right you did.
Damn right.
Wait, we have another ink. Green is ink. Wait, guys, we have
Why do they have
ladders!
No way! Like,
You got
oh,
this.
out of here.
Guys, he dropped.
Guys.
Don't worry.
Okay.
It was not an attempt. No one can attempt a ham like fart bomb.
Yup.
You got that right.
Mistake, really.
Damn right. Why did he not fall?
Red sucks ass.
No.
Oh, I got 4v1'd, really. I mean,
Are you like a
Ah!
I'm from Louisiana, but I'm not a cowgirl yet.
You suck.
Yeah, it's upcoming. It's upcoming.
It's my upcoming dream, really.
Guys, I'm gonna buy a snowman and just place it in front of them.
That's a good
Yeah.
idea. That is a
You
brilliant
will
idea.
eat that up.
You
No!
even have better aim than I do, really.
Bro, whoever's screaming, you gotta relax. It's a game.
Sorry?
There's no relaxing in
Yeah.
this game.
Yeah,
There's only tension.
Exactly.
yeah, we gotta like
Pierre, I need a chiropractor, really. I mean,
go, go,
my
go.
shoulders.
Huh?
Ooh.
Why are they running? What?
Okay, don't split.
The chat is just
Oh,
propaganda, really.
Propaganda.
I don't think that was strategic stuff. Man, they're really butt fucking us, aren't they? All right, glowies, let's go. Let's bomb them.
I got a KB stick just to let you know.
Oh, wow.
She funky like that.
No, wait, this guy's a diamond sword.
You just died to Tubby Pig's bed.
Shut up!
bugs.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! I don't
Ooh.
Got this
Come on,
guy.
guys.
Yup.
Yeah.
Oh, two.
Sorry, I had to be a little bit toxic.
Easy.
there.